Today we're going to stay inside and do a little juggling. All you'll need is a tissue box. I want you today to watch me first, then you're going to have time to pause the video and do it yourself. So watch me, hear all the instructions, watch and listen to what you're going to do, then pause the video and do it yourself. The very first thing we're going to do is take that tissue, again watch first, take that tissue and hold it high. You're going to drop it, track it with your eyes, meaning watch it with your eyes, and try to catch it in front of you. So I hold it up high, I'm looking at it, I track it with my eyes, and I catch it in front of me. I hold it high, I drop it while I track it with my eyes, and catch it in front of me. Try that 10 times. Go ahead and pause the video. Go ahead. This time we're going to add a clap. So you're going to hold it high again, watch me first. Hold it high, eyes are on the tissue. Drop it, clap, catch. One thing I forgot to mention earlier is your legs, your knees. Bend your knees. If you're standing with your legs straight and then have to get low for it, it's going to be difficult. Bend your knees so that you can get low and move for that tissue if it gets low. So my knees are bent. I hold that tissue high. Remember, we're adding a clap this time. I drop it, clap, catch. Track it with your eyes. Drop it, clap, catch. Do that 10 times. Go ahead. Now we're going to drop with one hand and catch with the other. Again, watch first. Going to hold it high, track it with my eyes, hold it high. The other hand is out and ready. If my other hand is sitting in my pocket, I have wasted time that I have to take it out. So instead, I have it out and open already. Drop, catch. Drop, catch. Again, tracking it with my eyes. You're going to do that 10 times with each hand. So now I put it high in the other hand. Drop, catch. Drop, catch. Again, tracking it with my eyes. And my knees are bent just in case I need to get low to track it. 10 times with each hand. Go ahead. Now we're going to keep that tissue on one side of your body, tossing it in the air and catching it with one hand. So notice my hand is facing down. The tissue right now is in my hand facing downwards. When I move my hand upwards, I let go and then I'm going to catch it moving downwards. So it looks like that from the side. We're going to actually do that 20 times. So you're going to do it to 20 this time with each hand. So I was doing that with my right. Now move it over to your left hand. And I know it looks different on the screen, but this is my left hand. And you'll do that 20 times with the other hand as well. Go ahead. Now we're going to alternate hands, and I'm going to ask you to set a timer for 2 minutes. When you set that timer, or after you set that timer, you're going to alternate hands like this. Again, my eyes went straight to the tissue. I'm watching the tissue while I do this. My knees are bent. And you're going to do this for 2 minutes. After that, we will have a little challenge for you. So 2 minutes of alternating hands. Go ahead. All right, your challenge now is going to be for 30 seconds. So you'll set another timer for 30 seconds. See how many times you can throw it in the air and catch it without dropping it. If it drops and hits the ground, you have to start over. So it's 30 seconds. See how many times you can do it. After you've done that, set it at 25 seconds and see if you can beat that score. So if you can get 30 tosses in 30 seconds, set that timer next to 25 seconds and see if you can match those 30 by going a little faster and concentrating on that tissue. Hope you've had fun. Go ahead. All right, thank you so much. Hope you had fun today. Stay active.